I am on my way to Just P's garage. He has my EK at the moment. Whoa! He's doing track prep the day before. Just got to Just P's garage. He was in the middle of changing out the rear trailing arm bushings. And let's go see what they look like before.
I had it before down there somewhere.
Out at the shout out to Johnny at JHP for running with the bushings and getting them in on time, like a week prior.
I didn't do the oil yet. Babbling.
Go, 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 go,
I think
go.
it's blue. I think it's blue oil. No, it's not. I have trans fluid I need to fill. And then bleed your coolant. Bleed your brakes. Bleed your clutch. And that's it, I think.
Are you ready to track tomorrow?
Yes and no.
Why not?
I like my sleep.
It's okay, the adrenaline will wake you up. I promise you.
Yeah. Excited to see everyone at the track tomorrow.
Me too. What are you gonna wear?
Nothing.
It's gonna be hot tomorrow.
Yeah, I just wear shorts. Some little stuff. Replace the distributor O-ring. Make sure there's no more oil leaking from there. Filling coolant. Make sure it's nice and burnt because we need this tomorrow.
I dropped it.
Go swimming in the car.
Is this waterproof?
Huh?
Is the GoPro waterproof?
Yes.
Fluids, bushing. I think that's pretty much it. Still need to add the tent and the scooter. How do you put that? Get up there. At the ridge.
Pick it up and go around the block. And there's more right hand side. Oh. Yeah, your leg only. Red, stop moving.
Yeah.
Track prep, making sure everything's straight.
Eight, I always struggle with 8. I don't do that.
Yeah, Just P's garage.
How drunk the guy was last night when we were setting up the cones. You can stay consistent.